Hello, dental implant fans. Alina Naraki here from Dental Art San Diego. Welcome to our next video. Are you considering dental implants or already have them? Congratulations on your investment in a healthy and confident smile. Today, we'll talk about the essential maintenance and care required to ensure the longevity of your dental implants. Maintaining your dental implants is similar to caring for your natural teeth. Regular and effective oral hygiene practices are key. Number 1, brushing. First, brush your teeth and implants at least twice a day using a soft bristled toothbrush. Gently clean all surfaces, including the gums, implant, and surrounding teeth. Number 2, flossing. Next, don't forget to floss daily. Use a floss threader or specialized implant floss to clean between the implants and the adjacent teeth. This helps remove plaque and food particles that can lead to gum infection or inflammation. Number 3, interdental brushes. Consider using interdental brushes or water flossers to access hard-to-reach areas, particularly around the implant posts. These tools can help prevent bacterial buildup. In addition to your daily routine, regular professional care is crucial for maintaining your dental implants. Happy, healthy patients are my ultimate goal, and there is nothing better than to give somebody a beautiful, radiant smile. This is the biggest reward for me. Thank you so very much. That was Alina Naraki, and I will see you in the next video.